look, this is my project. The project name is Vane Vehicle.
Oh, we made this project nice. This is Marathi project, right?
Yes.
Your teacher told you all students do the Marathi project for the Vahane.
Yes.
Tell me,
This is
bullock cart in Marathi.
in Marathi we say Bailgadi.
Yes. Second one is bike.
Bike.
In Marathi we call motorcycle. Third, aeroplane. In Marathi we said viman. Fourth one is ships. In Marathi we say jahaz. Next, car. In Marathi we said motor gadi. Next, helicopter. We said helicopter also. What is this? Tell me.
Train.
Train. Where is that train? Show me properly. Train. In Marathi we said आगगाडी. Do you like train?
Yes. But I want to sit in that thing.
We will go one day. Okay, the train in we say आगगाडी Marathi. Next, bus in Marathi ST bus, and the last one is auto rickshaw in Marathi auto rickshaw also. This is all our vehicles, and in Marathi Vahane.
I want to tell you which one I like.
Yes, you can tell me which one do you like?
This one.
Oh, car, the four-wheeler. Okay.